Now the next law is Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law क्या स्टेट करता है? इट वॉज गिवन बाय अमेडो एवोगाड्रो. इक्वल वॉल्यूम ऑफ गैस, इक्वल वॉल्यूम ऑफ गैसेस अंडर द सेम कंडीशन. इक्वल वॉल्यूम है अलग अलग गैसेस का, अंडर द सेम कंडीशन ऑफ टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर will contain always equal number of molecules. ठीक है, अगर हम बात करते हैं एक वॉल्यूम है, इक्वल वॉल्यूम है, दो गैसेस उसी टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर पे है, तो उनके नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स भी इक्वल होंगे. सो वॉल्यूम इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ द गैस at same temperature and pressure. ठीक है, so under same condition of temperature pressure volume will have equal number of molecules. That is, volume is directly proportional to the number of moles, where number of mole is given mass by its molar mass. n क्या है? number of moles. m क्या है? गैस का मास, और कैपिटल m है गैस का molar mass. So you can tell V is equal to a new constant K4 into N, which is K4 into given mass upon molar mass. So molar mass is equal to a new constant into mass by volume. You can tell it's K4 into D, where D is the density of the gas. Density is mass by volume. So we can also state that the density of a gas is directly proportional to its molar mass. ठीक है, so we state in Avogadro's law, if you have equal gases in equal volume at same temperature pressure, then the number of molecule will also be equal. Now two things we will learn. We will learn a condition called STP. STP means standard temperature and pressure. So we have discussed STP. It is 0 degree, that means 273.15 Kelvin, and the pressure is 1 atm, and 1 mole of the gas occupies a volume of 22.4 liter under STP condition. Right? Now we standard condition 0 degree and 1 bar, and 1 bar is less than 1 atm, तो मोलर वॉल्यूम इतना होता है. ठीक है, अगर हम बात करते हैं 0 डिग्री पे, यानी कि 273.15 केल्विन एंड 1 बार, देन 1 मोल ऑफ द गैस हैज़ अ वॉल्यूम 22.7 लीटर. इफ द प्रेशर इज इन 1 बार, द वॉल्यूम इज 22.7. इफ इट इज़ इन 1 atm, इट्स 22.4. स्लाइट डिफरेंस है. ठीक है, बिकॉज 1 बार इज लेस देन 1 atm. Fine. Now there is one more condition called SATP. It's standard ambient temperature and pressure. It is the temperature which is 298.15 Kelvin. ठीक है, 25 degree Celsius, and the pressure is 1 bar, that is 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Then under these condition, the volume occupied is 24.789 liter per mole. So this is the volume of 1 mole under SATP conditions. SATP पे टेम्परेचर 25 डिग्री रहेगा और प्रेशर 1 बार रहेगा. सो these are the basic 4 laws. The volume under same temperature pressure will contain same number of molecules, and 1 mole has Avogadro number of molecules. तो कोई भी गैस है तो उसका वॉल्यूम 1 मोल अगर है तो वो 22.4 लीटर है, STP at 0 degree and 1 atm. So that volume is fixed. If the temperature pressure are constant for two different gases, but they have same volume, then 1 mole of the gas will have 22.4. So they will have same volume and the number of molecules in them will also be identical. So this is about the fourth law called as Avogadro's law. Now the next law that we are going to discuss is very important, called as combined gas law or ideal gas equation. ठीक है? So by combining, in Boyle's law we have seen the effect of pressure on volume. Boyle's law में हमने क्या देखा था? Effect of pressure on volume keeping temperature constant. ठीक है? Then we discussed about Charles' law, which tells us volume is directly proportional to temperature at constant pressure. Then we have discussed the third law called as Avogadro's law, in which volume of gas is directly proportional to the number of moles when the pressure and temperature are fixed. ठीक है? तो वॉल्यूम का रिलेशन है हर जगह. So this equation, this combined gas law or ideal gas equation, this equation gives the simultaneous effect. This equation gives the simultaneous effect of pressure and temperature on the volume of gas, and this equation is called as ideal gas equation. So ideal gas equation gives the relation between the simultaneous effect of volume. ठीक है? वॉल्यूम पे इफेक्ट क्या हो रहा है? प्रेशर और टेम्परेचर का. जिस इक्वेशन से ये इफेक्ट पता चलता है उसको कहते हैं आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन या कंबाइंड गैस लॉ. तो सारे लॉ को कंबाइन कर देते हैं. V इज इनवर्सली रिलेटेड टू P, V इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू T एंड V इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू N. दिस इज फ्रॉम बॉयल्स लॉ. टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट, चार्ल्स लॉ, प्रेशर कांस्टेंट, and Avogadro's law, both pressure temperature are constant. So combining this we can tell the volume is directly proportional to, it's 1 upon P and into T into number of moles. So volume is equal to a constant R into 1 by P into T into N. We can tell that pressure into volume is equal to nRT, and this equation is called as ideal gas equation, where R is the molar gas constant. ठीक है? It's also called as universal gas constant. So an ideal gas is a gas that obeys this equation. So a gas which obeys ideal gas equation, एक गैस जो आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन फॉलो करती है is called as an ideal gas. जो गैस आइडियल इक्वेशन यानी कि पी वी इज इक्वल टू एन आर टी के इक्वल बताएगी वो एक आइडियल गैस है. यहाँ पे पी क्या है? प्रेशर, वी वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस, एन नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ द गैस, टी टेम्परेचर इन केल्विन एंड आर गैस कांस्टेंट. सो पी वी इज इक्वल टू एन आर टी. सो अ गैस विच फॉलोज ideal gas equation exactly is an ideal gas. and this is an ideal gas equation is also the equation of state because it will define the state of the gas completely. सारे स्टेट पता चलते हैं, प्रेशर, वॉल्यूम, नंबर ऑफ मोल, टेम्परेचर, तो सारी चीज़ें पता चल जाती है इस इक्वेशन से. इसको कहते हैं इक्वेशन ऑफ स्टेट. सो आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन इज ऑल्सो इक्वेशन ऑफ स्टेट because it defines all the parameters of the gas, that is variables, has been specified completely in this equation, and it is called combined gas law or ideal gas law equation. Now we shall see the ideal gas equation in terms of density. Density के terms में ideal gas equation समझते हैं. We know PV is equal to nRT, wherein is number of mole which is equal to given mass upon molar mass. तो PV is equal to given mass upon molar mass R into T. So you can write P is equal to given mass upon volume of the gas RT upon molar mass, and this term is the density. So it is density RT by M. So you can state that pressure is equal to density RT by molar mass, or density is equal to pressure into molar mass upon RT, or molar mass is equal to density RT by P. So density and molar mass are related to each other. Pressure density relation, density and molar mass along with pressure relations we have from combined gas law. So all these equations are used in numericals. So combined gas law we can also use as, so this is a relation between molar mass, density and pressure. Now if the initial, we state that PV is equal to constant nRT, ठीक है. So let the number of moles be 1, R तो constant रहेगा ही जो भी है. For 1 mole PV is equal to RT. So P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to R. Same gas under different condition, it is P2 V2 upon T2. So we can tell that P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. This is another form of ideal gas equation. ठीक है, combined gas law. Now what is the relevance of R? So the nature of the gas constant R, what does this tell? ठीक है, so we have PV is equal to nRT. So what is R? PV upon NT. ठीक है, so I'll write R is equal to pressure into volume upon mole into temperature in Kelvin. Pressure we can write force upon area, and length as volume as length cube. मोल मोल्स में रहने दें, ये केल्विन में, डिग्री. So what it can convert? We can get force upon length square into length cube upon mole into degree. तो ये कट जाएगा, you will have one length remaining. Force into length is work done by mole per degree. तो R क्या है? R is the work done per degree per mole. तो ये जो गैस कांस्टेंट है ये क्या एक्सप्रेस करता है? वर्क कितना हुआ फॉर अ डिग्री पर मोल, दैट इज R. R is a gas constant, but it tells us about the work done per degree per mole. So now we shall see the different values of R with different units. ठीक है, so under first condition, that is normal temperature pressure for 1 mole of gas. ठीक है, प्रेशर कितना है? 180 m. वॉल्यूम एक गैस 22.4 लीटर लेती है 180 m पे, और टेम्परेचर केल्विन में है 273 केल्विन. नंबर ऑफ मोल 1 मोल. देन R इज इक्वल टू 180 m इंटू 22.4 लीटर अपॉन 1 मोल into 273 Kelvin. When you solve this, you get that 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. This is a unit. ठीक है? And if here the volume was 22,400 centimeter cube, the value of R would be 82.1 centimeter cube ATM per Kelvin per mole. तो यहाँ पे अगर ये वॉल्यूम लेते हैं इन प्लेस ऑफ लीटर, this would be the value of R, that is 82.1 centimeter cube atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. And in place of volume pressure, if this was 1 bar, then the volume would be 22.7 decimeter cube, or you can tell 22.7 liter. ठीक है? तब R की वैल्यू क्या होती? तब R होता 1 bar into 22.7 decimeter cube divided by 1 mole into 273 Kelvin, and this you get as 0.083 bar decimeter cube per Kelvin per mole. So this is the unit of R along with the value under different condition. Now the second is CGS. ठीक है? Pressure 76 centimeter, which is equal to 76 into 981 into 13.6 dynes per centimeter square. Volume would be 22,400 milliliter, 22,400 centimeter cube basically. Number of mole 1, temperature 273 Kelvin. Then R is equal to 76 13.6 into 981 into 22,400 centimeter cube into 1 into 273. So it is 8.314 10 to the power 7 ergs per Kelvin per mole. This is the volume, sorry, this is the value of R in erg per Kelvin per mole. And if you need an SI unit में चाहिए, then you need to represent erg by joule, and 1 erg is 10 to the power 7 erg is 1 joule. तो R की वैल्यू यहाँ पे आई थी 8.314, ये हो जाएगा जूल पर केल्विन पर मोल. ठीक है? So this is the value, and it is also R is having 8.314 kilopascal decimeter cube per Kelvin per mole when pressure is 101.325 kilopascal, volume 22.4 decimeter cube, number of moles 1, temperature 273 Kelvin. Then this is a value of R, 8.314 kilopascal decimeter cube per Kelvin per mole. So these are the different values of R. One more value of R is in calories. So R in calories is 1.987 calories per Kelvin per mole. Now how did you get? 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joule, और जूल में हमें पता है तो हम कैलोरीज में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे. You will divide 8.314 divide by 4.184, you will get the R value in calories per Kelvin per mole. So these are the different values of R that you need to learn in ideal gas equation. R gas constant है, but वो define क्या करता है? Work done per Kelvin per mole.